Have you ever considered the profound impact of an elephant's footfall? How such a seemingly simple action can send ripples across an entire ecosystem and echo through centuries of human culture. The story of elephants begins in the wild, where they play a crucial role as architects of their environments. These majestic creatures are known as keystone species, and their presence or absence shapes and sustains the biodiversity of their habitats. Their daily routines, from foraging for food to digging for water, shape the land, create habitats, and even control the weather. When an elephant feeds, it doesn't simply eat. It prunes the landscape, making room for new growth. The seeds they consume pass through their system, germinate in their nutrient-rich dung, and are scattered across the land, resulting in new plant life. This activity plays a vital role in forest regeneration, and in turn supports a myriad of other species. Elephants aren't just ecological powerhouses, they're also cultural icons. In various societies and religions around the world, elephants have held a place of reverence and respect. They are seen as symbols of wisdom, strength, and longevity. In Hinduism, the elephant-headed deity Ganesh is revered as the remover of obstacles and the patron of arts and sciences. In Africa, elephants are often seen as symbols of leadership and community, mirroring their own complex and matriarchal herd structures. However, these magnificent beings face significant threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation, human encroachment, and climate change, coupled with the menace of poaching for ivory, have led to a drastic decline in elephant populations. This loss is not just a blow to biodiversity, but it also destabilizes ecosystems, affecting all species that depend on it, including humans. Yet, amidst these challenges, hope persists. Across the globe, concerted efforts are being made to protect and conserve elephants. From the establishment of protected areas and anti-poaching initiatives to legislation against the ivory trade, these measures aim to ensure the survival of elephants and the ecosystems they sustain. But conservation is a shared responsibility. It requires collective action. It demands that we, as global citizens, recognize and respect the irreplaceable role of elephants in our world. It's time to step up, to lend our voices, our resources, and our efforts to protect these magnificent creatures. In preserving elephants, we preserve our ecosystems, our cultural heritage, and ultimately, our shared future on this planet. So, the next time you think of an elephant, remember the footfall. Remember the ripples. Remember the echoes. And consider what you can do to ensure that these echoes never fade into silence.